Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to achieve financial freedom? Well, let's embark on this journey together. Imagine setting off on an adventure without a map. It's possible, but it would be challenging, wouldn't it? The same concept applies to your financial journey. Setting financial goals is like crafting that essential map, a roadmap to financial freedom. It's more than just about numbers, it's about direction, purpose, and motivation. These goals act as your compass, guiding you towards making informed and intentional financial decisions. They provide a clear vision of where you want to go financially, helping you avoid any detours that might derail your financial progress. With a well-defined financial goal, you're not just wandering aimlessly, you're steering your finances in the direction of your dreams. Remember, setting financial goals gives you direction, purpose, and the motivation to take control of your finances. So, where do you start? The first step is to identify your financial goals. Often we have a vague idea of what we want to achieve financially, but to make those dreams a reality, we need to be specific. Start by asking yourself, what do I want to accomplish with my money? It could be anything from saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, paying off debt, or retiring early. The key here is specificity. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house. This makes your goal tangible and measurable. Once you've identified what you want to achieve, assign a timeline to each goal. This gives you a deadline and creates a sense of urgency. For instance, you could say, I want to save $20,000 for a house down payment in 5 years. Now, you have a clear goal and a timeline to achieve it. In addition to long-term goals, it's also important to set short-term financial goals. These could include saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off a credit card. Short-term goals are just as important as long-term goals, and achieving them can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated on your financial journey. Next, prioritize your goals. Not all goals are created equal. Some are needs, like saving for retirement, while others are wants, like a dream vacation. Prioritizing your goals helps you focus your energy and resources on what's most important to you. Finally, write down your goals. This might seem like a small step, but it's a powerful one. Writing down your goals not only makes them real, but also serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. Keep your goals where you can see them every day, like on a sticky note on your computer or in a note on your phone. Remember, being specific about your financial goals and giving them a timeline sets the foundation for your financial planning. No matter where you are on your financial journey, it's never too late to start setting goals and working towards achieving them. Once you've identified your financial goals, it's time to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This is a crucial part of the process, as it allows you to see your journey to financial freedom as a series of achievable milestones, rather than one huge, overwhelming task. Let's use an example to illustrate. Suppose one of your goals is to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house in 10 years. That might sound like an enormous sum, but if we break it down, it becomes much more manageable. First, divide your total goal amount by the number of years in your timeline. $50,000 over 10 years breaks down to $5,000 per year. Still sounds like a lot, right? But let's break it down further. Divide that annual goal by 12 to get your monthly savings target. $5,000 a year translates to around $417 a month. Now, that's a number you can work with. It's tangible, achievable, and something you can plan for each month. This process of breaking down your goals can be applied to any financial target, whether it's saving for retirement, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. The key is to take that big, intimidating goal and turn it into smaller, achievable steps. Breaking down your goals into manageable steps is where the magic happens. It makes your financial journey less overwhelming and more achievable. Next up is creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. In the journey towards financial freedom, budgeting is your best friend. It's the tool that bridges the gap between your financial dreams and reality. Think of it as the compass guiding you towards your monetary North Star. Let's talk about the role of budgeting in achieving your financial goals. A budget is essentially a snapshot of your income, expenses, and savings. It's a clear picture of what's coming in, what's going out, and what's being tucked away for the future. Now, why is this snapshot so crucial? Well, it's simple. It allows you to make informed decisions about your money. It shows you where your money is going and helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or online shopping. Perhaps you could switch to a cheaper cable package or work out at home instead of an expensive gym. The possibilities are endless once you know where your money is going. But here's the kicker. Creating a budget isn't just about identifying potential savings. It's about aligning your spending with your values and your financial goals. It's about deciding what's truly important to you and directing your money towards those things. Let's say one of your financial goals is to save for a down payment on a house. If you're spending a large chunk of your income on non-essential items, that dream house might remain just that, a dream. But with a budget, you can allocate a portion of your income towards your house fund each month. You're not just wishing for that house, you're actively working towards it. To sum it up, budgeting is about making your money work for you. It's about taking control of your finances and directing them towards the things that matter most to you. It's about making intentional choices with your money, not just spending it mindlessly. So, grab a pen and paper or use a budgeting app if you prefer. Start tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can save more and start directing your money towards your financial goals. Remember, a budget is not about restriction, it's about making intentional choices with your money. Tracking your progress is key to staying motivated and achieving your financial goals. Regular check-ins with your financial plan are essential, like a doctor's checkup, but for your wallet. This allows you to see how far you've come and how much closer you are to reaching your financial goals. Doing a monthly or quarterly financial review can be immensely rewarding, especially when you start to see your savings grow and your debt shrink. It's important to celebrate these wins, no matter how small. Bought your first stock? Great. Paid off a credit card? Fantastic. Every step forward is a step closer to financial freedom. But what if you're not making as much progress as you'd hoped? That's okay. Remember, financial planning is not a straight path. There will be bumps along the road, unexpected expenses, market downturns, and maybe even changes in your personal life that affect your finances. That's where flexibility comes in. Financial goals are not set in stone. They're more like a GPS route that recalculates when you take a wrong turn or hit a detour. If you find that your goals are no longer realistic or relevant, it's okay to adjust them. Maybe you need to extend your timeline, or perhaps you can increase your savings target because you got a raise at work. The key is to stay flexible and adapt your financial plan as your life and circumstances change. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your finances, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide guidance, help you adjust your financial plan, and offer strategies to keep you on track. In conclusion, tracking your progress and staying flexible are crucial parts of achieving your financial goals. They keep you motivated, allow you to adjust your plan as needed, and ultimately help you stay on course towards financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay motivated, and you will reach your goals. Lastly, let's talk about staying motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Motivation is the fuel that will keep you moving, even when the road gets tough. One way to stay motivated is to surround yourself with positive influences. This could be friends who share similar financial goals, or it could be mentors who have already achieved what you aspire to. Another effective way to stay motivated is to visualize your success. Imagine what it would feel like to reach your financial goals. What would you do? How would you feel? Visualization is a powerful tool that can help keep your motivation high and your focus sharp. It's also important to remind yourself of the long-term benefits of financial planning and goal setting. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about having more money. It's about gaining control over your finances, reducing stress, and creating a secure future for you and your loved ones. Remember to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a step closer to your financial goals. If you stumble along the way, don't get discouraged. Use it as a learning experience and a chance to readjust your plan. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with setting financial goals. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires persistence and determination. So, stay focused, stay motivated, and you'll get there. Thanks for watching.